You've started making serious money and now want to protect it with a trust. Stop. That might be the biggest mistake you can make. The secret to asset protection isn't just what you use, but when you use it. This video gives you the exact 4-phase roadmap used by successful investors to properly build, protect, and pass on their wealth without wasting a dime. Let's dive in. Phase 1 and 2. Build first, then protect host. The biggest mistake is jumping to complicated structures too early. The first phase is income building focus, on consistently generating 6 or even 7 figures. The second is asset accumulation. Once you have 6 to 7 figures in assets, you have something meaningful to protect. At this point, you build a solid emergency fund and begin investing in assets like real estate and index funds. Don't waste thousands on advanced trusts when that money could be building your net worth. Phase 3. Strategic organization. Host. Once your assets reach a comfortable 7-figure mark, it's time for Phase 3. Organizing your assets. This is where a simple, revocable living trust (RLT) becomes essential. The RLT is the foundation, giving you more privacy, control, and a smoother process for your heirs to avoid probate. A solid RLT typically costs between $2,500 to $5,000, and for most people, it's all you'll need at this stage. Phase 4. Long-term legacy planning. The final phase is estate planning strategy. This is for when your estate grows past certain thresholds, risking hefty federal or state taxes. This is your chance to get intentional about your legacy, using advanced trusts or gifting strategies to minimize or eliminate taxes for your heirs. Think of this as the ultimate act of love, protecting your heirs from unnecessary financial stress after you're gone. Building wealth is a journey, not a race to a single document. By following this strategic order: income, assets, organization, and legacy, you build a foundation that is efficient, cost-effective, and far more powerful in the long run. Don't let a rush to a complex structure cost you. When in doubt, work with a tax professional and an attorney to ensure your plan is right for your unique situation. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more essential wealth insights. Thanks for watching.